Hey, what up, YouTube?
Wait, this is your phone.
We out here. We out here. At Walmart, we shopping. Shopping for whatever she wants.
No, you better not be sick. I need my phone.
Alright, let's go.
So we're at Walmart right now, and he's getting his eye vision checked. And what are your results?
I have to check online.
Okay, they're gonna send it to him. But so far, this is what I got. Some makeup wipes, because I ran out, obviously, if that's why I'm getting them. And then foundation. This nail polish that I thought the color was really pretty, so I'm just gonna try that. I got a men's travel kit, because I'm planning on doing a video on girls try guy products, lemons for my water, and aloe vera, because apparently it helps clear pores, so we'll see on that.
Let's see my blood pressure.
Ready? Why do you have a noodle stick, huh?
Because I'm a warrior.
And what were you doing with it, huh?
I was beating you up.
So, okay, we are now walking to PetSmart just for fun while waiting, and while walking he's gonna sing his new rap that he came up with.
Alright, yo, what's up? Yeah, I'ma hit you up anytime with every rhyme, and you know I ain't even trying. Listen to the word that I say and I ain't even lying. Yeah, cause I'm fine. I look at you, you're God's prettiest design. Yeah, 10 out of 10, that's a dime. Yeah. Yo, you the angel that God sent from above. Yeah, you're so white, you're like a white little dove, so cute. Hold up, don't talk, let me put it on mute. Yeah, I know you a little girl on band, you play the flute.
No, I'm
yeah,
not.
parachute. That's what you came
on
down.
FYI. This is how you don't know, because you don't go to any of my shows. He's a terrible supporter.
Oh my god. Yeah, now we at PetSmart, you know, about to buy Benji some treats.
Okay, that's enough.
Like
I don't even know what he's saying anymore.
Yeah.
Well, we are now at the park. It's our second round because we walked earlier, but my mom wanted to come to the park to make my sister walk. They're over there. Wait, over there. But yeah, we have Benji with us. He's going on his second round too. There's Rochelle walking over here with a poop bag. Poopy pouch. Rochelle, are you suffocating him? Oh my gosh!
Don't put that in there.
I got that! Rochelle! You animal killer.
Don't put that in there.
Then why'd you do
I
it?
was just kidding.
You're terrible!
You can hold it and stuff. Put
This is why you ain't the master.
Put in the collar.
No, that's...
Check it, check it.
We literally just got here and my mom already wants to leave. She's complaining that it's so cold and she didn't bring a jacket. Excuses! Look at him trying to be Caesar Milan.
Unless you stay behind me. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, Benji! Look at this animal killer, part 2.
Oh my god, his mouth is open.
So we finally made it to a free barbecue. The first one we went to was an hour 45-minute wait, so obviously we're not gonna wait that long. And then the other one, they don't good. Was that good? Are you full? I'm full.
Yep. That
Okay,
was
well,
bomb.
yeah, now we're walking to Cake House. So we got the bomb popsicle right there. Copy. Bomb bread in the bag.
I got a cake pop.
And a what?
Cake, Rice Krispie cake.
Rice Krispie. Does it taste like you remember?
네. 캐시 플로우에 옛날에 우리 전문용어인데
Hey guys, so it's actually the next morning and I was gonna make this a weekend vlog number 3, but this one turned out way too long and I know Sundays is gonna be pretty long, so I'm just gonna end this one here and upload another vlog, obviously for the next weekend. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, maybe hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more adventures, and see you next time. Bye!